This is the start of the sort of the winding bit. We're 37 kilometres out from Bateman's. There's a national park on the left hand side of the road out here. That's Buttawang National Park. Pretty rugged countryside if you get deeper into the national park there. Long steep descent, next 5 kilometres. Okay. So I'm a little chilly, I gotta say. I should have put the lining back in this jacket. I didn't know it'd be this cool. Alright, down we go. This is fun. And I won't speak too soon, but it's unusual to get this with no cars in front of you. And often you've got to crawl down behind a line of cars, and luckily not today. Not yet anyway. This is most unusual. I love it. There's the cars in front down the end there. I knew it would happen. Oh well. Thank you to those vans for pulling over, that's nice of them. To Bateman's. Come on, get out of the way. There's something about cornering on a bike that just feels so good. You don't even have to be going that fast. It's just this beautiful feeling of flowing into the corner and flowing out the other side like that. Now when this gets a little further down the mountain, it opens up in some real big sweeping corners. Not these tight ones. Oh, I love the tight ones, don't get me wrong.